Hello and welcome to Cocktail Hour with Bozorth Beverages. This will be a video series featuring cocktails made with all of our products. For our first episode, we're going to be making a non-alcoholic drink rather than a cocktail. We're starting with our ginger beer soda. So what you'll want to do is you'll take our ginger beer syrup or our double ginger syrup. I'm going to do about 3 ounces of that into our pint glass. Now this is a 3-to-1 mix, 3 parts seltzer to 1 part syrup. You can go stronger or lighter on the syrup if you like. There's our 3 ounces in there. We're going to take our seltzer. Now you can use LaCroix, you can use your soda stream, you can use Polar. But I do like this little gadget here. We're going to go ahead and fill this up to about the 12-ounce mark with seltzer water. So that's 3 ounces of syrup and 9 ounces of seltzer for a 12-ounce glass. And there you have it, your ginger beer soda. So thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, today's recipe can be found in a link in the description below the video, and all of our recipes can be found on our website at bozbev.com.